A team of engineers came together with a shared purpose. Equipment intelligence should be clear, actionable, and built by people who understand the realities of the field. At American Crane and Equipment Corporation, we've spent more than 50 years designing, building, and servicing lifting equipment for some of the most demanding industries in the world. When you depend on your equipment, safety and reliability cannot be left to chance. That belief became the foundation of NorLink Solutions. NorLink was born from years of engineering inside American Crane, where our team developed monitoring technology to help operators understand their equipment, its health, its performance, and the early signals that can prevent failures and keep people safe. NorLink Solutions equips you with real-time visibility, predictive analytics, and clear, practical insights that reduce downtime, support maintenance planning, and strengthen safety across your facility. The Smart Crane system combines remote monitoring and flexible infrastructure to communicate trends and data for operational peace of mind. Replace guesswork with prescriptive, data-driven maintenance, ensuring your equipment is performing safely at all times. With the versatile Machine Health Monitor, sensor data is accessible in real time, allowing you to stay proactive on potential vulnerabilities. After the quick install, you can immediately set up condition checkups at an appropriate time interval you specify, picking up readings such as current, vibration, and temperature, all through secure, encrypted, cloud-based data services. Every NorLink product is engineered for industrial environments, rugged, adaptable, and ready for the equipment you rely on most. From cranes to critical machinery across manufacturing, energy, and heavy industry, NorLink is already supporting customers in crucial and general industrial sectors across the country. Now is the time to connect your equipment, elevate safety, and give your operations the tools they need to perform at their full potential. Smart, connected, secure. NorLink Solutions.